latest restoration running at the moment. It's an 850 engine I've just rebuilt over the winter, connected up to a battery with a vacuum cleaner hose for the exhaust. I had a few problems with a petrol pump, that's now sorted. Also had the leads around the wrong way, I think. You don't sound too bad. Sorry about the state of the shed. If you need to do this job, all you really need to do to bench test a Reliant engine is to connect the battery up to a coil and then run a negative lead to the battery, and then just use another lead to basically jump start it to the live terminal.